Welcome to our channel. If you are a cat owner looking to simplify your life while keeping your furry friend happy and comfortable, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into the top 4 best automatic cat litter boxes of 2024. These innovative products will help you maintain a clean home and provide a stress-free experience for your cat. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 4. Booteely Self-Cleaning Smart Cat Litter Box. This impressive litter box boasts a generous 65-liter capacity, making it suitable for multiple cats. With its automatic self-cleaning feature, you can enjoy a clean environment without lifting a finger. The Smart Cat Litter Box is equipped with automatic cleaning modes, allowing you to watch as it cleans itself. It also features an innovative ionic deodorizer technology that works immediately after your cat uses it, reducing odors in your home. Best of all, this deodorizing system is safe and requires no consumables to replace. For pet owners with a busy lifestyle, this litter box is a game changer. Designed for low maintenance, it can accommodate up to 3 adult cats, alleviating the need for frequent litter replacement. The unit consists of just 2 parts, making assembly and disassembly a breeze, and you can flush the litter cylinder for easy cleaning. Just remember, the base should not get wet. The Smart Cat Litter Box can be controlled remotely through a dedicated application. Whether you are on vacation or at work, you can monitor your cat's usage data, receive alerts when the box is full, and customize cleaning settings, all at your fingertips. The design of this litter box is inspired by a lunar re-entry capsule, featuring a patented structure that ensures your cat will never get stuck. With a front entry height of just 5.9 inches, it is friendly for short-legged cats, too. This innovative litter box is designed to work with a variety of cat litter types, including plant litter, bentonite litter, clay litter, and more, except for crystal cat litters. Safety is a top priority with the Booteely Smart Cat Litter Box. An infrared safety transmitter automatically stops the machine if your cat approaches, ensuring their well-being while they use it. Number 3. TONEPIE App Control Cat Litter Box. This advanced automatic Smart Cat Litter Box features a self-cleaning function and is equipped with a 65-liter large barrel bin, making it ideal for multiple cats. Its sleek design not only looks great in your home but also offers impressive functionality. The TONEPIE Cat Litter Box employs automatic induction cleaning technology, ensuring your cat's toilet is always clean and odor-free. With a removable filter bottom tray, you can easily maintain hygiene without hassle. Thanks to its negative pressure ion technology, this litter box effectively inhales odors, decomposing them into harmless carbon dioxide, water, and other odor-free small molecules. This feature operates without any consumables, making it a cost-effective solution for cat owners. Your cat's safety is paramount. The TONEPIE Cat Litter Box includes quadruple security guarantees, such as a structural safety design that eliminates any risk of shearing actions. 4 sets of weight sensors ensure that the barrel bin stops immediately as soon as your cat enters or approaches, and there is power overload protection to prevent any abnormal blockages. With the TONEPIE Cat Litter Box, you can control the cleaning functions remotely through an application on your smartphone. As long as you have an internet connection, you can monitor and operate the litter box from anywhere. The ultra-low entrance design allows even the smallest kittens to access the litter box easily. You can also install a removable sand control box to prevent larger cats from scattering litter outside the barrel bin. The TONEPIE Cat Litter Box is compatible with over 90% of common cat litter types, making it versatile and easy to use. It works seamlessly with all dedicated litter designed for automatic cat litter boxes. Number 2. Petkit Pura Max App Control Cat Litter Box. This self-cleaning cat litter box connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing you to control it anytime and anywhere through the Petkit application on your smartphone. The Petkit Pura Max features multiple safety mechanisms, including an infrared sensor, weight sensors, remote alerts, an accident protection system, and smart detection technology. The X Secure system automatically pauses the cleaning process when your cat approaches or if any weight change is detected. With an inner bucket size of 18.89 inches by 20.47 inches in diameter, the Petkit Pura Max provides a spacious 76-liter capacity, accommodating cats weighing up to 18 pounds. The 7-liter waste bin allows for up to 15 days of scooping-free use for one cat. Its low-entry design, standing at just 7.8 inches, is perfect for older cats, short-legged cats, and those with limited mobility. This innovative litter box is compatible with all clumping cat litter types, including clay litter, tofu litter, mixed litter, and bentonite litter, excluding crystal cat litter. Additionally, it features a high-performance non-woven fabric cylinder mat to prevent any soft waste from sticking, while the premium Oxford cloth and PVC materials ensure waterproofing and prevent leakage. The Petkit Pura Max offers smart app control with 3 alternative cleaning modes: auto cleaning mode, scheduled cleaning mode, and manual cleaning mode. You can easily set up your preferred cleaning mode via the Petkit application, providing you with a truly hands-free cleaning experience. The app allows you to control the litter box and air purifier spray, as well as monitor your cat's behavior and health from anywhere. Enjoy a fresh environment with the Petkit Pura Max's double odor removal system. The fully sealed waste bin and removable odor eliminator work together to transport waste into the bin, effectively preventing any unpleasant odors from escaping. The air purifier smart spray deodorizes automatically after each cleaning, and you can even plan additional deodorization through the app. Number 1. Neakasa M1 Self-Defendable Cat Litter Box. The Neakasa M1 is an open self-cleaning automatic cat litter box that ensures a comfortable and odor-free experience for your cat. Its unique open-top design offers your pet a spacious area, promoting natural behavior while addressing common litter box issues. The Neakasa M1's open-top design provides freedom and comfort for cats of all sizes. This spacious environment encourages stress-free adaptation, making it the perfect choice for your furry friend. The Neakasa M1 features a self-cleaning system that redefines hygiene. With its innovative pull and wrap waste system, waste is enclosed in an odor-blocking bag with a simple pull, ensuring your home remains fresh and clean. The Neakasa M1 is designed for busy pet owners, offering a large capacity for both waste at 11.23 liters and litter at 7.17 liters. This means up to 14 days of worry-free operation, perfect for short trips or hectic schedules. This litter box accommodates a wide range of cat sizes, from 2.2 pounds to 33 pounds, making it an ideal solution for multi-cat households. The special kitten mode ensures that even the smallest members of your feline family can use it comfortably. Safety is a top priority with the Neakasa M1. Equipped with 5 pairs of infrared sensors and 4 weight sensors, it accurately detects your cat's activity. If any contact occurs during operation, the system automatically pauses to keep your pet safe. Stay connected with the Neakasa application. Monitor your cat's bathroom habits, track litter levels, and remotely control operation modes, all from the convenience of your smartphone. The Neakasa M1 comes with a soft, clean mat that significantly reduces litter tracking, helping to keep your floors pristine and your home clean. Thank you for joining us in our exploration of the top 4 automatic cat litter boxes of 2024. We hope you found the perfect fit for your needs and your cat's comfort. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for pet care tips and product reviews. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What features do you look for in a litter box? Until next time, happy pet parenting.